Hey guys, aloha! This is Douglas Layer from Coldwell Banker Realty. Today I'm right outside the villa on Eaton Square, located here in Honolulu. I'm excited to invite you to join me for an open house this Sunday, October 20th from 2 until 5 p.m. This fantastic unit is a spacious 1-bedroom, 1-bath with the convenience of 1 parking spot in a secured building. Plus, you'll love the rooftop pool deck, perfect for soaking up those amazing views. And with shopping, restaurants, and both Waikiki Beach and Ala Moana Beach Park just minutes away, you can't beat this location. If you're free this Sunday, come by and say hello. And if you know anyone looking for their dream place in paradise, be sure to spread the word. Mahalo for watching, mahalo nui if you come by, and don't forget to bring your checkbook. I'll see you on Sunday from 2 till 5. Aloha!